Generative AI space is going crazy. Every day there is a new tool. I was just checking GitHub and few other resources and I noticed that there were close to 100 new tools available just in the last 3-4 days. I picked out few of them and just thought of mentioning it to you guys just so for your interest. The first tool which caught my eye is Cursor. Cursor is an AI-powered programming editor that generates and edits code and offers other useful features like chat, um, and which is just then the chat is just like ChatGPT style interface that understands your current file, whether it's a JavaScript, Python, or any other language. You can also use it as an open source alternative to GitHub Copilot. This tool looks quite good, very easy to implement, but having said that, there are a lot of other tools too. For example, there is a tool called as Cody, which you can integrate with VS Code. Then AWS has its own Code Whisperer, which is your AI code companion, and there are a few others too. So you can try Cursor out and then compare it to your existing AI code companion and see if it makes sense for you or not. Second tool, which I believe is the most interesting for this week, is Hugging Chat, and I have another video on Hugging Chat in detail, and I'll put the link to it in the video's description. Hugging Chat is an open source alternative to ChatGPT, and it is powered by Open Assistant. I highly suggest you check it out. It's pretty cool. The dataset which its LLM is trained on doesn't seem to be as rich as ChatGPT, but still quite good enough, and I'm more than sure that it is, and it will grow fairly rapidly. Third tool is Segment Anything. This is Segment Anything model, or SAM in short. It's a new AI model from Meta AI that can cut out any object in any image with a single click. SAM uses a variety of input prompts. If you are into the editing of images, then I would suggest you check it out. Seems pretty cool. Then we have Runway Generation 2, which is a multimodal AI system that can generate novel videos with text, images, or video clips. Still pretty nascent, but I believe that it will evolve fairly quickly. And last but not least, we have Amazon Bedrock. Uh, AWS is catching up quickly and they have released this generative AI service. It's a service for developing Gen AI applications using foundation models through an API without managing your infrastructure. And I have another video for Amazon Bedrock, and the link is in the video's description. I hope you like this week's tools for Gen AI. If you think I have missed any tool or if you want to mention any tool, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.